Hey friends, welcome back to the Self-Sufficient Sister. I have an exciting unboxing video for you today. I subscribe to the Simply Earth essential oil box, and usually it's a much smaller box, but I think it's every 6 months, they send you a big box full of different things that you'll need for the next 6 months. So let's go ahead and open it up. Whoa, stuff's falling out here. So in this box, we'll have the regular monthly box here. So we'll open that in just a second. And then in your big box, it's just gonna be like roller bottles, bottles for your essential oil blends. So these are the smaller ones where when we combine the oils together, this is where I put them. So that all just comes, and this month doesn't cost more. It just is the same, like $45 as it is any other month. So we also have some beeswax, some coconut oil. This is like stuff that you'll need to melt. Cold pressed is what it's called. So it's just like, yeah. And we also get fractionated coconut oil and almond oil. So that's 4 ounces of these kinds of oils. So these are like the carrier oils where you can mix with the essential oils to make it safer to put on your skin. So that's the stuff that comes in the big bonus box every 6 months. I think it's 6 months, okay? Because these are like the most basic things that you'll need in a lot of the recipes that they provide. And I'm struggling to put this lid on. There we go. Okay, so I had no idea this was coming today, so this was kind of a surprise. But I came home from work and it was on my doorstep, so that was pretty awesome. It also looks like there's a big paper in here. Most of it says share with your friends. So I do have a code for you guys to use to get a $45 gift card if you subscribe. So I'll be sure to put that in the description. So now we can open up our actual monthly box. This is the one for October. We're in October. This is the one for October specifically. So let's see what's in it. I don't even remember what this box was all about, but it looks like some fun stuff. Let's see, the first thing I'm seeing, is an Aromatherapy rice bag. Ooh, that's so cute. I like that design. Looks like there's a white one in there too. Ooh, that's so fun. We also have some dried lavender flowers. That's nice to have. I already have a bunch from when I made lavender soap. So I've got even more, and this probably is from a better source because the other one I got from Amazon. So who knows what's in that. Then we have Perfumer's alcohol. Interesting, maybe we're making perfume. The theme for this month is home remedies. So very nice. I'm excited for that rice bag. That'll be interesting. Okay, then here's the oils for this month. We have, if I can get them out of the box, we've got rose geranium. We've got eucalyptus. We have hoewood. I think I have smelled that one before. And then we have one called Defender. This is one of their blends. I have a roll-on of this. I made a roll-on of this. It's really good for when you're trying not to get sick, which is me all the time as a school teacher. So that's a good thing to have. Let's see what our recipes will be for this month. One more thing that they always send is stickers, so you can put labels on all your things. And let me tell you, I subscribed to this back, the very first time I subscribed was like in 2020, I believe, somewhere around there. And we used to have to cut each sticker out. Now, apparently they came up with a system where they print it on a sticker that's already cut. So that's been amazing. So I'm excited about that. So let's see what we're making this month. We have Everyday Guard Spray. So it kind of looks like it might be something similar to a hand sanitizer. Shake well and spray onto hands for a fresh cleansing boost, especially when soap and water aren't available. So that's cool. It also tells you on the back about all the oils and the price. So this box, just this box, this smaller box, is valued at over $174 and you pay $45, so that's cool. Okay, let's see what's next. We have Tranquil Bloom Perfume. So we are making perfume. That's nice. Cool. We have Fortify Roll-On. This is when you want to breathe deeply and feel naturally fortified. Very nice. On back of one of these, it has a sneak peek for next month's box. Next month, so in November, it's orange, autumn air, pine, and cinnamon leaf. Sweet. All right, another recipe, we have Warm and Well Aromatherapy Pillow. Cool, so we are going to be filling that up with rice, and it looks like the lavender buds and hoe wood and rose geranium. Nice, I'm excited for that. On the back of this one is a note from Katie. She's one of the owners and aromatherapist. Then we have a Stillness Salve. This is for rubbing on your chest, shoulders, or wrists for a soothing scent and soft, hydrated skin, especially nice during cold weather or before bed. That does sound nice. And then the last one is a diffuser blend. It's called the Autumn Armor Diffuser Blend. So that's for when you want to diffuse oils in your diffuser with some water. So that's cool. I'm looking forward to making some of these recipes. If you would like to see a video of me making them, let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to share and create these things with you. I love this box. It really helps me learn how to use better ingredients and have better items in my home. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.